This is Purdy Pro Extra Stiff Nylon Polyester Paintbrush, 3 inches wide. It's handcrafted in USA. The handle is very smooth, so the latex paint is not going to stick on it. If it's dry, it just take it off very easy. And look at the brush. It's pretty stiff. It's very good when you're doing the cutting. You can glide like really easy. For example, this is a line. You just push and just glide. You can control your paint very well. And look at the thickness. There are a lot of bristles inside. It's not like the cheap brush. It's empty in the middle. Actually, it is full of bristles. And it can hold a lot of paint. So that's why the pro painters, they all use Purdy. Because the Purdy, the quality is good. And these nylons are very sturdy. It is not going to lose when you do your painting. If you are using the cheap brush, you will find that after you paint, some of the bristles will left on your paint. It's very ugly. And here you see they make the tip like a split, so it will be more control. It's not going to be like very slippery. It will be more control of your paint texture. Even though it's more expensive than the cheap brush, what the good thing is, if you take care of it, you can actually use it for many times. Just make sure that every time after use, you're gonna give a really good wash. You're gonna make sure that all the paint inside gonna be washed out. You see how much the bristles in there. And just make sure don't leave it dry. Just right after you finish your job, wash it right away and make it cool. Then put it back into this box after it's dry. Next time you start using it, this is like a brand new brush. This is a very good brand, highly recommended and used widely by the pro painters. Hope this video is helpful. Thank you for watching.